हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम अतुल कुमार है। मैंने अपना बीटेक एसआरएम इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी चेन्नई से करा है और मेरे बीटेक में 82% थे जो कि 7.45 सीजीपीए में कन्वर्ट हो गए। एंड मैंने पहली बार गेट 2019 में ही लिखा था इन माय फाइनल ईयर एंड आई गॉट ऑल इंडिया रैंक 535 एंड माय मार्क्स वर 60 out of 100. In the very next year, in this year 2020, I again wrote GATE and my marks was 72 out of 100 and I got all India ranks 49. So basically this video is for those who are preparing for GATE. Like I will be sharing my preparation strategy in these videos and I will try to help you out, and you people can also comment whatever you like or dislike or any questions you have I will again make a separate video on that. So let's start the video. Basically the first bullet point that I have mentioned is the ideal time to start the GATE preparation. Like मैंने अपना GATE preparation 4th semester में start कर दिया था. 4th semester that it is also too early to start the GATE preparation, but by 5th semester if you start the GATE preparation then it will be quite easy for you to prepare for the GATE. You will be getting ample time and you won't be feeling extra pressure for preparation of the GATE. Like practically speaking, an average person requires at least 1 to 1.5 years for preparation for the GATE exam to get a good rank. There are exceptions also, but I am talking generally about general people. So मैंने अपना preparation 4th semester में start कर दिया था मेरा और उसके बाद फिर the second point that I have mentioned is the sequence of subjects that we should go for. Like मेरा सबसे पहला subject जो था वो mathematics था. मैंने मैथमेटिक्स की पढ़ाई की. It took me around 2 to 3 months I have given to mathematics only. Mathematics is basically a base for all the subjects. If you are good in mathematics, then you can easily get 10 to 15 marks and get GATE paper easily. The questions of GATE mathematics, engineering mathematics are very easy in GATE paper, and with little bit of practice, you can easily score all 100% marks in mathematics in that paper. So, जैसे कि I am from electronics engineering. So the sequence of subjects that I opted for, like the first was mathematics, and after that in my 5th semester I started signals and systems. After that I went for digital electronics. After that in the 6th semester, I think in the 6th semester I had started networks, then control systems, then analog electronics, and then finally in 7th semester I opted for I had started communication systems, after that electromagnetic theory, and my last subject was electron device and circuits. These were the sequence of steps that I followed, and where I joined the GATE Academy coaching in my college itself, where microprocessor subject was taught along with digital only. So these were the sequence of steps that I followed. I am again repeating it. If you want to write it somewhere, then you can write it. Like first was mathematics, then signals and systems, digital electronics along with microprocessor, networks, control systems, analog electronics, communication systems, electromagnetic theory, and EDC. Basically, one should prepare EDC before analog electronics, and it will be helpful to analyze the analog electronics properly. And what was my preparation strategy? The first preparation strategy, in my entire preparation strategy, I have always focused on my class notes. Very rarely I opted for some books. Yes, I did opted for some books, standard books, but very rarely I had gone there. The first thing I did was previous notes. After reading my notes thoroughly, I went for previous year. In previous year, what I did, I solved all the previous year questions of all the departments. Like for mathematics is common for all the departments. I solved all the questions for mathematics from all the departments. Secondly, like network, signal system, digital, analog electronics, it is common for instrumentation, electronics and communication, and triple E engineering. And similarly, like communication is in there for communication is some part of communication is also there in instrumentation engineering and electronics engineering. And so I solved all the questions of previous year. Again after that I wrote some test series, like test series subject wise and topic wise. Like when I completed my mathematics, I wrote subject wise and topic wise test of mathematics, and initially I really did not get good marks and good rank in those, but it hardly mattered for me. I took a pen and paper, and I wrote all the mistakes that I made in the test series, and I focused on how to improve those mistakes. And after that, after writing the test series, I again read all the notes, same notes again I read for the second time, and after that I again solved the previous year questions. Like in my notes, there was content was only around 70 to 80%. 20% of the content was not taught to me. Like the same way, 20% of the content was not taught to me, and for that, I got stuck in some of the questions. For those questions, I referred to standard books. This was my strategy. And after that comes the fourth point that I mentioned is time management. Time management is very important in GATE preparation. Like I have my friends, some of my friends and some of my students who were there in my class, and they told me that 3 hours are not sufficient for the GATE examination. But I never felt like that. For whenever I wrote the exam, whenever I have written the exam, 2.5 hours was sufficient for completing the GATE examination, and last 30 minutes I gave for complete revision of the paper. So for time management, what I did was, like initially I thought that in GATE examination there are 65 questions in 180 minutes, and approximately 2 to 3 minutes time was given to each and every question. Then what I did was, in initial stage of preparation, what I did was, I took a sheet of paper, like bullet mark paper like this. These papers I took, and I read, like suppose I am solving questions from 1 to 25. I wrote 1 to 25 questions, and I gave 1.5 minute to each and every question. Like for 25 minutes, 25 into 1.5, 37.5 minutes timer I set in my mobile, and I started preparation. I started solving the question. And initially in initial tests, I was unable to solve all the questions in 37.5 minutes. But later on, as I moved again, my mind was prepared like that I have to solve these questions in this much time only, and my speed automatically increased. These are the things that I have done for time management. And free resources also I got somewhere in. I was very lucky that I got some of the free lectures on YouTube also. Like there is a coaching, GATE Academy coaching of Dhande sir. I have seen some of the videos, like analog electronics, some part which were missing. Like I was having a very weak concept of virtual ground concept in analog electronics. I had seen that part from Dhande sir. It was very good, really very good. So if you are getting doubt in some, you can also refer these and GATE Academy free lectures if you want. They are available freely on YouTube, GATE Academy channel. And the first thing during my college time when I prepared, what difference was that whenever I used to get break, I used to enjoy completely. I used to go out of the class with my friends, talking, eating something, completely waste of time. I like 1 hour we are getting there, completely 1 hour break I am wasting out completely. But in the second attempt, when I again appeared for GATE preparation, I joined MADEZ at my home center only. My home center is Patna. I joined MADEZ over there only. And in MADEZ, whenever I got break, then what I did was, I used to take a sheet of paper, sheet of A4 size paper, and used to fold it in 1/4 way, like folding the A4 sheet in this 1/4 size, and I used to solve all the questions which I get in free time. Like in MADEZ, we used to get workbooks. Like I didn't get time to solve all the questions of the workbook during home time, because the classes in MADEZ are really long. For long hours. I joined the class of MADEZ in June, and it went up to December, and classes were very long, around 8 to 10 hours. So I didn't get enough time to solve each and every question from the workbook. So I utilized the break time to solve all those questions. Like basically, this was my strategy how to use the break. You can also prepare use your break time in the judicious way you like, but you should not waste your break time completely in the GATE coachings. And these were the 6 points I have mentioned. And the 7th point I have mentioned, that if anyone is having any doubt, like if you are having any questions, or if you want me to make some extra videos regarding some of the contents or something, new strategy that you need or something like that, you can mention completely you are free to mention your comment in the comment box down, and I will be completely replying to you according to the comment. That's all. Thank you, friends.